Hey y'all, it's your girl Juicy K, and we are at Juicy's Crab Shack. Let me show you some of my food with that Juicy's blend sauce, mild of course. And just give you what it looks like. A little bit of everything. It's big enough to split between, which we did. Big enough to split between two people, but we added an extra crab leg. You can see hers right here. Yeah, it is. This is my favorite spot.
Is that?
Mm-hmm.
You and your husband came here?
Yeah, for the first time, but we didn't know what to get. Oh, your coleslaw looks good too.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. And of course, you can't forget the coleslaw. Do that like that. And then I got my drink with me.
You got margarita?
Huh?
Yeah,
Yep.
margarita.
This is the margarita. You know, I got to have me a margarita with mine. Oh, yeah. And we are about to dig in.
Wow.
She over here tearing it up. How's it taste, Mom?
Good as usual.
She said about to. I'm already in it.
Yeah.
And of course, you got to put on the bib. My phone is on this bucket. Try not to move the bucket.
I forgot.
And here we go. I tend to eat like my dad. Difference is he eat with his eyes closed. When the food is good.
You be tearing it up.
Mm-hmm. All right. I got on pink right now, so I don't want to go home with red sauce on me. All
The
right.
juices.
Oh yeah, my lovely coleslaw. Coleslaw. Got my scissors with me. My scissors with me.
Mother and daughter continue.
This is crab. Oh yeah, so we're doing the mother-daughter day. Mother-daughter day.
Continue, huh?
It's been a while since we did one. This is my crab leg. Look like they kind of look like I'm missing it. That's okay.
It's free.
Yeah. I know, right? And this. Listen, I got this. Oh yeah. That sauce is so good. Oh my goodness. You can't be cute while you eating
Not
seafood.
real. So okay, Ken.
Cannot be cute. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and take these glasses off. There we go. Much better. Much better. Let's get into it. Got these potatoes. Now I gotta have my boy with the potato. Some people don't. I don't see how they don't. And then I got my shrimp without the head. And I got my sausage. And of course I got my corn. You see that sausage is dripping off of it. The sausage is dripping. Gotta fix this up a little bit. Oh, sorry. Going back. Give you another good picture of this, because I don't think the first time it did justice. Do it like that. That's all that good sausage. That's how we do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack this baby open.
Excuse me.
Like me and my mom was talking about somebody take you on a date at a seafood boil place. How you gonna eat? Like, are you gonna be a savage and just dig right in?
Makes you that way.
Or are you gonna be the girl who just eats a salad? I'm gonna be a savage when it comes to cracking this stuff open and eating this. Oh, it is so good, y'all. That sauce has me. It gets me every time.
Yeah, so they trying to look cute.
And it gives
Cute
you
and eat. Don't get this meal.
decent sized crab too. Decent sized crab. A nice portion of corn. We added extra corn. How many corn that usually come with? About 2, 3, about 2 or 3. And then we added the coleslaw on the side. Of course, because we're sharing it. Keep in mind it's big enough to share. This is exactly how big it is without the extra corn in the crab. Now you can get your own. We used to get our own, but it didn't make sense. And we could just share it. It's big enough for 2 people. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we used to get, it's the Mr. Captain. We used to get our own bag. But why do all that when you can just share it?
Good enough.
I always take off that shell. I was really with Brady just now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They threw us in an extra crab too. Crab cluster. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all.